it's HLO. What's up, you guys? Let's go to the farm. What you guys been doing for fishing and doing things? So, well, right now, you guys, we are going to clean my toilet and clean my bathtub. So that's what I'm going to be doing, cleaning my bathtub and organizing some stuff. I'm going to clean up some stuff, my bathroom today. So that's going to be a project that we're going to do today. So talk to you guys when we clean up the bathroom.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Going to let my toilet sit for a little while, you guys. So I'm gonna let my toilet sit, and then I'm gonna go downstairs, grab a scrubber, because I'm gonna grab a scrubber. Up downstairs. Trying to clean up some stuff over here. Trying to clean up. I am gonna possibly make banana bread this evening. So that's what I'm gonna do. I thought I was gonna make banana bread yesterday, but decided not to. So I'm gonna decide to make banana bread today. So I'm gonna clean up some stuff. Gonna get organized. First I'm gonna do the toilet and scrub that. If I can find a screen. Right here. Actually no. Right here. Gonna use one of these to scrape off the toilet. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys when I scrub up the toilet. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are taking out the trash. Yes, we are gonna take out the trash because my trash is really full. With my other shoe. Lost my other shoe. There it is. I found it. Oh sheesh, that's heavy. But I'm taking out the trash, so that's what I'm doing. Also gonna do something. I have to double check something. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys when we get the trash outside. Hey, we just took out the trash and I'm making some banana bread! Yes, we are making some banana bread! Yes, you can make some banana bread! So yeah! Hey guys, there's the banana bread done. Yeah, it looks so good to eat. But I'm gonna let it cool down and then take it out of the pan. And then we are gonna try it and see how it's gonna taste. So I'm gonna take out this video. I did some shaving, you guys, which you guys can see. I did some shaving. So I'm gonna take this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Good.